finishing up the review for your volume and surface area test. The height of a cylinder is the same length as the circumference of its base. So H equals C. Its measured height is 392.5 centimeters. So then we go 392.5 equals pi d, because I changed the circumference to pi d. If I divide both sides by pi, I get 392.5 divided by 5. Let me do that. 92.5 divided by 3.14. I get 125 equals D. So that's the diameter. So the radius equals half of that. So divide that by 2. And I get 62.5. Now I have to calculate the volume, which is big B H, and volume equals big BH, which is pi r squared H, which is pi 62.5 squared times the height, which is 392.5. And so I do 62.5 squared times 392.5 times 3.14 is 4814260 centimeters cubed. A cube, okay, so a cube is a rectangular prism with all sides equal. Or you could say that a cube is a rectangular prism, but instead of rectangles, they're squares. But all squares are rectangles. So if it has an edge of 20 centimeters, so it means that, oops, that's 20, that's 20, and that's 20. That's what the word cube means. Would this amount of water fit in a sphere with 20 centimeters of radius? So does that equal that? And that's a question mark. So this is 20 times 20 times 20 with, oh, wait, let's do the formula. Oh yeah, don't forget to do the formula. So V equals big BH, and V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. That's 20 times 20 times 20. This is 4 times pi times 20 times 20 times 20 over 3. Are they equal? That goes out with those. And you get 1 equals 4 pi over 3, and that's no. Oh, would it fit? Yes, it would fit. We're not asking if it's equal. It said, would this amount of water fit in a sphere? And that would be yes. Because this is 4 pi over 3 times bigger than that. 4 cubes of ice with an edge of 4 centimeters are left to melt in an empty cup. what is the volume of the water left after the ice cubes melt? So I have 4 big BH's. So that's 4 times 4 times 4 is the base, times 4 is the height. And so that is actually 256 centimeters cubed. The cone shown below has a height of 8. The circumference of the base of the cone is that. Find the volume. So, circumference equals pi d. Circumference 18.84 equals pi d. Divide 18.84 divided by pi equals d. And so I do 18.84 divided by 3.14. And I get 6 equals d. So 3 equals r. So I put a 3 here. And then 1 volume equals 1/3 big BH, which is 1/3 pi r squared h, which is 1/3 pi 3 squared times 8, which is 48 pi, and 48 pi equals 150.72 inches cubed. So on these, if you're given this definition, the circumference of the base of the cone is that, I know that circumference equals pi d. I need diameter so I can get to radius, and radius so I can use it because I need the radius to do the area of the base. So that is your review for unit on surface area and volume, both lateral and total surface area and volume. My expectations on the test is you write your formulas, you show me all your work so I can follow along, and you label your units correctly. If you have any questions, please come to office hours and get them cleared up prior to taking your test. It is not a timed test. It is based off of your shown work and your formulas, and me following your thought process and you coming up with the correct answer.